So I have a question for you today. What do you believe is the most valuable thing that retirement gives you? Now, be careful how you answer that because I believe that most retirees answer that question wrong. Now, most people would probably say it gives you more freedom, more relaxation, gives you more time. But I think that retirement gives you something much bigger than that. It gives you opportunities. And whether that opportunity becomes, extra income or a new purpose or simply, a more fulfilling retirement, it depends entirely on what you decide to do with it. See, you're going to pick up an extra 30, 40, 50 hours every week that you're going to do something with. All of the opportunities that I've been talking about and many others, they're already out there, guys. They're everywhere. But the difference that you're going to find is that while you were working, you probably didn't have time to even notice them. And now you do. You have that extra 30, 40, 50 hours a week. So you see, retirement gives you the freedom to slow down, open your eyes, and begin looking at those opportunities that are around you. I call it looking with fresh eyes. See, we used to have this retail store, and things become neutral. If things become stagnant, things become mundane as far as the look at the store. So my wife and I decided early on that we would stop every once in a while and we would look at our store with fresh eyes. I'll tell you what, guys, that makes a big difference. Those things that are normal, regular around you all the time, things start to blur and fade away. You don't see them the same way. But when you open your eyes with what we call fresh eyes, all of a sudden you can see things differently. So when you're looking at these opportunities with fresh eyes, the next step is simply finding one that is good for you. And that's really what my channel is all about. Whether it's reselling or using the experience that you've gained over a lifetime or turning a hobby into extra income, maybe it's something you've never even considered before. There's so many things out there, guys, for you to find. My goal on this channel is to help you recognize those opportunities so you can build a retirement that's not only more comfortable financially, but it's more fulfilling. Now, here's something else that I've learned. Not every opportunity is your opportunity. And I've heard this in my comments from several different people. We'll be discussing reselling, for instance, and I'll have people just love it. And then other people just hate it. Well, that's the thing about these opportunities. There are so many out there that if one's not a fit for you, maybe another one would be. You know, somebody may hate reselling, but somebody else may discover that they love woodworking and they never tried it before. They were always working. Another may enjoy restoring old furniture. Someone else may find purpose in volunteering at their church. Another may enjoy going out and walking dogs or tutoring children or starting a small YouTube channel, which I would highly recommend that you do. And we'll talk about that at another time. But make no mistake, guys, any of these things will give you a sense of purpose. The point is to discover the opportunity that fits your personality and your interests and fits your lifestyle. And I'll tell you what, when you find that fit, it doesn't feel like work at all. It becomes something that you actually look forward to doing. And here's another thing. And I hear it, people pressure themselves. Don't put pressure on yourself to find this thing quickly. Some people discover things like this in the first month that they're retired. Others may try 3, 4, 5 different things before they finally say, "Hey, Dave, this is it." And that's perfectly okay. You're not failing, you're discovering. Every opportunity that you try, and I highly recommend that you try several, um, you'll learn something about yourself. You'll find one that makes you get excited to get up in the morning, and you'll find that purpose. You will spend those extra hours that you're going to get in retirement, but how? You know, how will you spend them? Will they be spent watching television? Um, scrolling Facebook pages? Sitting in your recliner? Taking afternoon naps? Or will you do something else? Will you invest those hours into learning something new, helping some other people? Maybe it is building a business. Maybe it's creating some extra income, but finding a purpose that gives you something to look forward to every single day. Guys, let me leave you with one question. What's the opportunity that you've been overlooking? Maybe some of you've already found it. Maybe you're still searching. But whatever you do, don't stop looking. Keep those fresh eyes open because I believe the greatest opportunities in retirement aren't handed to us, they're discovered. That's why you want your eyes wide open. And that's exactly what I hope that this channel helps you do. If that's the kind of retirement that you're looking for, I'd love to have you join me. Click subscribe, leave your comments, and maybe together we'll be able to continue exploring these different opportunities that can bring you some extra income and greater fulfillment, and maybe even a whole new purpose in retirement. Guys, I'm here to help. I hope this video is a help. And until the next time, please take care of yourselves, and I'll see you on my next video.